Istanbul Airport Transfer, everything you need to know. When traveling to Istanbul, one of the key aspects to consider is how to get from the airport to your destination. Istanbul is a bustling city with two major airports: Ataturk Airport and Sabiha Gokcen Airport. Knowing the best transfer options can make your journey more enjoyable and hassle-free. There are several transfer options available, including taxis, shuttles, private transfers, and public transportation. Taxis are convenient but can be expensive, especially during peak hours. Shuttles are a cost-effective option, while private transfers offer a more luxurious and personalized experience. Public transportation, such as buses and metro, are budget-friendly but may require multiple transfers. Before choosing your transfer option, consider factors such as your budget, luggage, and comfort preferences. Researching and booking your transfer in advance can save you time and stress upon arrival. With the right transfer option, you can start your Istanbul adventure on the right foot.